Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Thank you so much for joining. Today I am more or less running errands, and then I am picking up a Chevy Silverado, I believe, out of ADESA, Portland. This truck was actually purchased by a friend of mine. His name is Andy, and I'll be selling his truck, and usually I pick up the cars from his house, the cars I sell for him on consignment. I was with Andy at ADESA a few days ago, and he's like, hey, you want to sell this thing? I was like, all right, well, let's do it. So today, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go pick up the truck from ADESA. But before that, I'm stopping by the lot. I am dropping off the Maxima there, which I'm driving right now, and taking the Mini Cooper to my mechanic so he could figure out what's going on with the power steering so that I could finish up that car. And once I get the title for it, that thing is gonna be good to go to sell. Haven't showed you guys this Maxima. I bought it out of Eugene, I think a week ago or so. It has some rear end damage. Interior was pretty darn clean. Engine bay was filthy, but this car runs like a dime. It runs so well. And I got it listed yesterday. It's up for sale. I have a potential buyer coming out to take a look at it at 8 p.m. today, 7 or 8 p.m. I don't remember. Hopefully this one will go. It's a really nice car, but I'm ready to sell everything and move on. But first, let's put some gas in this thing. Last 3 or 4 times I filled up, I tried to do either $15 or $20, and I did $15.01 or $20.01 on every single fill up, including this one. Let me show you guys the damage, because I don't think I have a video of this car, and then the muffler's bent down, but as you can hear, there's no rattling or anything. And then windshield was busted, this right here, so I had my guy Fernando come out and put in a new windshield on it. And then minor scuffs here and there, and you could barely hear this thing run. It runs so well. But let's grab the Mini Cooper. Cold start. Woo, the sun is directly in my eyes. Yeah, this car is very tamed until you kind of open it up, and then it makes noise. While we're here, Ruby wants to take it for a spin with no power steering. You should probably buckle up, son.
We better let her rip. We better get on it.
Don't ever be this person. It's 40 here. And legit, we have probably 15-20 cars behind us, all stacked up, because she's going under the darn speed limit. I don't know if the supercharger will come through on the camera, but listen to this. I love it. All right, little Mini, have fun here. Yeah, I need my plate. And my Uber's here. Made it to ADESA. Have my jug of oil, because I know the truck is low, at least a quart. So we'll put that in before we start it. Can you guess by the wind where we are? Darn Troutdale. Now the biggest thing is finding this thing, because they could have moved it, and I honestly don't remember where it was last. Looks something like that, except with a long bed. Maybe I see it over there. That wasn't it, because it wasn't a full cab. That was a half cab. But I see the back of a white Chevy right here, so hopefully that's it. Nope, scratch that. I think I found it. Pretty sure this is the truck I need. Yup, new tires, busted up bed. This is it. Let's just verify it really quickly. Yeah, this is it. There's our stock. There it is. Assuming it's been sitting here for a while. Oh, it's right at the bottom. So we'll just add maybe half a quart. The reason why I bought the oil, because before you start the truck, it says engine low on oil, add more or something like that. I guess never mind. I can't safely add oil because look at that. Before it bottoms out right here, and I don't want to make a mess. But I'm going to my parents' house. Oh, the sun is great. And they live basically 2 miles away, so I'll add some oil there. And because the dipstick showed we are literally like at the bottom, I think we're okay to drive 2 miles. But check this thing out. No warning lights of any kind. Let's see, where's the mileage on this thing? Okay, so we got that. Nope, we don't need that. Check engine oil. How do I go through these screens? I have no idea. Okay, we're just gonna get this truck out and then we'll figure it out. This is the biggest difference between like IAA and Copart where I usually buy. Dealer auctions, you bought the car, you have to come in the lot and pull it out yourself. And then they have a security checkpoint which will verify that you are the owner of the car. And then they'll let you through. Here we go, big spikes. We are through. Nice guy. Hi, where's my wife? Did she stick around or did she go to my parents? Don't see her. Guys, you know what I forgot to do? I completely forgot to check if this thing has plates. I have my plate, but it's on my wife's car. So if it doesn't have plates, I am driving with no plates right now. Here is the odometer on the truck. Now that you guys know pretty much minor details about the truck, tell me what you think it's worth and leave a comment in the comment section below what you think the winning bid was. The truck is home now. Got it photographed. Need to list it for sale. Tires are real nice. It's not in the best of shape, but it's a nice truck. And that will be it for today's video. Thank you for watching, thank you for joining, and I will see you guys in another one.